Welcome everyone, this is Mundan Raghavan, and in this series we are going to see JavaScript as a programming language. Let's say if your goal is just to learn the JavaScript for the ML or just to learn for the testing framework such as like a Cypress, Protractor, Jasmine and so on. We are not going to interact so much on the HTML and CSS part. We are going to see JavaScript as a only programming language, and we are going to understand very basics about the JavaScript functions and so on. So in this video we are going to see how to execute the JavaScript and what are the very basic things to start with the JavaScript and its first program, Hello World. In order to start with first JavaScript, we are going to just write a simple program to say Hello World to the console. In order to start with the JavaScript, we are going to write file name with extension .js. In our example, we are going to write hello.js. Inside that, we will be just writing a single statement to log the message to the console. Whichever may be the programming language, in order to execute, you need to have the runtime environment. Before going to that level, we will understand JavaScript is the interpreted language. Unlike, let's say, C++ or let's say Java, it is not the compiled language. That means that you need the interpreter. In general, JavaScript will be executed inside the browser by JavaScript engine. But we have discussed that we are going to see the JavaScript as a JavaScript for the just for the learning purpose for MLR and so on. So in that case, we need to have some JavaScript engine. In our case, we are going to use the Node.js as the JavaScript engine just to execute or let's say interpret our JavaScripts. So we will see how to install the Node.js in coming slides. But in simple, we will have three steps here. You are going to write your first program and you are going to install the Node.js, and inside the Node.js you are giving your hello.js, which will be interpreted and it will be giving the output to the console. A simple introduction about the Node.js is it's a JavaScript runtime built on the Chrome V8 JavaScript engine. So that means that there are a lot of other JavaScript engines as well, but the main and the famous one is Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. To start with JavaScript as a programming language, we are just going to use the Node.js. So more on theory, we will just go to the Node.js site. In order to install the Node.js, you will be going to the nodejs.org and you will be downloading the Node.js based on your environment and the OS. For example, Windows, it will be straightforward. You will be downloading the exe file and you will be double clicking and you will be just going next with the default values. Then Node.js will be ready. But how to confirm that we will see in some time. And after that, in case of Linux, you will be just downloading the binary archive files. Based on the package, you will be executing the tpkg or tar command or let's say apt get install. So based on the different commands or different package, different let's say the bits 32 or 64 bit, you will be executing. Let's say if you have something different or just if you don't have proper knowledge how to install in case of Linux, because Linux is a little bit tricky. So in that case, just go to the downloads, and here you can see installing Node.js via binary archive. So you just follow the same step as it is, but in some cases if you feel like it is more lengthy or let's say somewhat difficult, then you can directly use the apt-get install and the code. So moreover, it's more on the installation part that everyone knows that, so just I will switch over to the next level. So let's say we have Node.js installed. How to confirm that one? Just open your terminal in case of Linux. In case of Windows, just open the command prompt. In my case, I am just typing node-v and you will be seeing the version. It may be very older version, but in your case, if you install the latest version, you will be having the latest version, whichever you have installed from the Node.js site. For example, currently Node.js having, I think it's a 14.16.1 LTS. So just for the starting purpose, we can have any version, no matter, but in case if you want a specific functionality in later time, we can install the latest version. Okay, fine. The next one is where to write your code. I prefer a simple notepad to write the basics of the JavaScript, but in case if you feel like you want to have some IDE, you can use any IDE like Visual Studio, Sublime, In my case, I am going to use the Genie, which is just a default coding for the, ID for the my Linux environment. So no matter, because basically we can use any IDE, even you can use the simple notepad also. It is just unlike Python, you don't need to have the indentation or something. Even you can write in a single line also. So it does not matter. So we can use any IDE. So let's say we will write our first program. Just open a notepad, and as we discussed, we will be just having the hello.js as the name file. And after that we will be writing console.log and the open parenthesis double quotes. Inside that we will be writing the string which we want to display in the console. So as soon as you complete this one, that's all. We have already confirmed Node.js. So now our job is to just display the hello world, right? So we will go to the terminal and make sure that you are in the same folder level. Now type sorry, it will be documents. Here you can see hello.js is present. Same way, node, instead of -v, we will be just giving the file name. So this hello.js will be given input to the node.js, which will be the runtime environment. So simply it will run the hello.js. Here you can see the output hello world. The same thing you can do in the IDE as well, but it will be just do with the command terminal. It will be having the inbuilt command terminal. You can use the same way. In case of VS Code, or let's say PyCharm, or let's say any IDE, you will be having the inbuilt terminal. You can use there itself. So in simple, as part of starting video, we have understood JavaScript. We are going as only the JavaScript language just to learn something for the testing framework or the ML, or it can be anything, but we are going to see JavaScript alone. And second point, we are going to use the Node.js, which will be the runtime environment for the JavaScript. And third point, we can use any IDE like Notepad, Notepad++, VS Code, and Genie, whatever may be your environment, whatever may be your favorite tool, you can use whatever you can. And third point, we have executed, sorry, fourth point, we have executed by using the node and the file name .js, and we have seen the output as well. So this is all about the introduction about the JavaScript. In coming videos, we will be seeing what are the other options, what are the basic things that we can explore on the JavaScript side. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.